Now, you might be thinking, Graham, side hustles, is that what we're calling working ourselves to the bone these days? And you wouldn't be entirely wrong, but listen, the world's gone mad, hasn't it? Everything's getting more expensive except our salaries, it seems. So we've got to get creative, haven't we? We've found 10 side hustles that could actually make you a decent bit of cash on the side, and who knows, you might even enjoy one. So buckle up, grab your phone, you'll be glued to it anyway, and get ready for some side hustle inspiration. Don't worry, I'll try to keep it more interesting than watching paint dry. Right, first up, we've got something called AI-powered freelancing. This is about using clever AI tools like ChatGPT. That's a chatbot, darling, not a new brand of tea, to help you with things like writing, graphic design, even coding. You could earn a tidy sum doing it, up to $5,000 a month, depending on how good you are at bossing your robot around. Now, this next one is for all you creative types out there, the ones who love nothing more than getting lost in a good video game. It's called virtual reality content creation. Basically, you'll be creating immersive experiences for people using VR headsets. The earning potential is huge, up to $10,000 a month if you're really good. Okay, next up is a side hustle that's good for the planet and your wallet. It's called sustainable product reselling. Find unique, sustainable or upcycled goodies and flog them online on sites like Etsy or eBay. One man's trash is another man's treasure, as they say. Chapter 4. Remote tech support. Become a digital superhero. Now, this next one is for all of you tech wizards out there, the ones who can fix a laptop with a paperclip and a prayer. It's called remote tech support. You can offer your services online, fixing people's Wi-Fi woes, rescuing lost files, and talking them down from a full-blown computer meltdown. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Chapter 5. Niche online courses. Sharing is caring and earning, right? This next one is for all you clever clogs out there, the ones who actually listened in school. It's called niche online courses. Share your unique skills and knowledge with the world. You can create and sell your courses online, and who knows, you might even become the next internet sensation. Chapter 6. Digital marketing for small businesses. Be the marketing guru. Now, this next one is for all you social media savvy individuals, the ones who can make even a plate of beige food look Instagram worthy. It's called digital marketing for small businesses. Help them create a website, manage their social media, and even send out those email newsletters that nobody reads but everyone pretends to. Alright, this next one is for all you fitness fanatics and wellness warriors out there. It's called health and wellness coaching. If you've got a passion for health and wellness, and a way with words that could motivate a sloth to do a Zumba class, then this could be the side hustle for you. Now, this next one is for all you savvy shoppers out there, the ones who can sniff out a bargain faster than a dachshund at a sausage factory. It's called e-commerce arbitrage. Find products being sold for a steal on one website, and then sell them for a profit on another. Right, this next one is for all you audiophiles out there, the ones who love nothing more than listening to podcasts on repeat. It's called podcast production. Behind every successful podcast, there's a team making sure the sound is crisp, the editing is seamless, and the guests don't swear too much. And finally, we come to our last side hustle, and it's a bit of a mind bender. It's called personalized AI assistants. You'll be creating personalized AI assistants for people who are too busy or too important to do mundane tasks themselves. Think scheduling meetings, booking flights, even writing emails. So there you have it, 10 side hustles that could boost your income in 2025. And who knows, you might even have some fun along the way. Just remember, it's called a side hustle for a reason. Don't give up your day job just yet, unless, of course, you're creating a robot clone of yourself to do it for you. Until next time.